What is up, everyone? Welcome back to The Perfect Bag. And today, obviously, we're not talking about a bag. We're talking about something that goes in a bag, and it is the one single item that I carry that saves me the most space and hassle and frustration, no matter what bag I'm carrying. I wanted to share it with you all today because it's been a valuable part of my daily carry for over a year now, and I just want to pass it on to all of you. Okay, so what are we talking about? Well, I carry a tablet and an iPhone all the time. So that means I want to have a charger. Here's a brick for my lightning cable. Here's a brick for my USB-C for the iPad Pro. And this is an Anker battery backup. 10,000 MHz, I believe they're called, but MAH, 10,000. But basically get 2 recharges of my phone or half of a recharge on an iPad. So there's a lot of junk to carry around. I've looked at a couple of different options to streamline this. Like, check this out. This is a slimmer brick. That was a neat thing to get. Didn't really slim things down, it just changed things up, right? But look at this. This is one brick that has 2 plugs. That's not revolutionary, right? But it did get rid of one of my items that I was carrying. Okay, no longer 2 bricks, now 1 brick. Easy, right? Now, what if we didn't have to carry this thing? Look at this. Now, I'm getting rid of both of these and replacing with this one device. This is what I wanted to show you today. This is from Anker. It's the GAN, the GAN Prime charger. Got the plug built in. It's got 3 little slots here, 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A, and it is a backup battery, not just an outlet. Okay, so it's a power brick, but it's also, as it is plugged into the wall, it charges up with a 10,000 mAh battery. So now I've got just my cords and this device. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if, well, we're not too far from there. I haven't found that yet, but this device is solar assisted in terms of charging, and it has cords built in, and interestingly enough, a little slot to put your phone while it's charging. We've got multiple bits of output and input, and we've got a little light, all kinds of fun stuff with this little device, but still no built-in plug, which is a big deal to me. All right, so this is the device, saves me a lot of space. I hope this is helpful to all of you. Every once in a while, you can catch a pretty good deal on one of these, so I wouldn't recommend buying it at full retail. I'd wait for a coupon or a sale to come along and then pick up one of these bad boys, and it will help you streamline your carry down to just the cords and 1 little brick. All right, everybody, hope that's helpful. We will, of course, see you next time. Bye for now.